location in Scottsdale.
I will be honest, I was the one who insisted we do this.
He did. He begged us to come.
All me.
You see up there we have our conductor driving the train.
I thought this was a good opportunity for Ethan to meet girls.
Then he's covering his head with a blanket, trying to keep the wind out of his ears. Oh, hey Edward, look. Look at all the animals on the ski lift. Where's Ethan? Where is he? There he is. Uh-oh, there's that bad call. There's the pretty mountains. So we just rode the carousel.